Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hazaz, founder of Ghuri. Ghuri is a smart marketplace where it helps the travelers to find the best deals from all the travel agencies in Bangladesh, be it local or international, and covers visa processing, air ticketing, tour packaging, hotels, and so on. So, tourist travelers face multiple problems. Firstly, they get inconsistent pricing for their hotels, tickets, and bills. Secondly, the information they get, they don't get information on time, and often they have to knock multiple times. The hotels that they get often suffer from quality issues from travel agents. And fourthly, finally, most of the travel agents don't have the capacity to book ground transportation or local attractions and destinations. This is what a traveler faces in Bangladesh while booking their trip domestic or overseas. They have to contact multiple agents to find the best deals, and often it's very time consuming, manual and cumbersome. And this is totally inefficient for the customer. They don't even get the time to compare the deals that they're getting. They compare the prices of the deals that they're getting. So this is how Ghuri comes into play. Ghuri actually allows the traveler to plan to customize the itinerary with its large collection of hotels, tickets, tours, and deals. And through Ghuri's platform, the customer can communicate with multiple vendors, book their hotels and trips through one click, and they basically pay us through cash or card. They basically pay us through the cash or card, and all we do is we take care of the rest. So basically, this is the solution: search, book, and compare, all in one place. They only need to pay us, and we take care of the rest. I'll just give a simple example how Ghuri comes into play. Just a few days back, my sister and brother-in-law was traveling to Cox's Bazar, and they booked the air ticket, they booked the hotel. They have 3 days, exactly 3 days, and they called me up because within those 3 days they wanted to also book a hotel in Irani Beach. They didn't know the ranking, and they also didn't have the internal communication. So through Ghuri, we actually communicate with a travel guide, and the travel guide actually arranged the internal communication as well as the Irani Beach. So this is a real example. And it doesn't have to be Cox's Bazar. It doesn't have to be foreign trip or in Cox's Bazar. Let's say you are making a trip to Newmarket. You are spending a day there. In that trip, there are several businesses who will be involved in there. The transport businesses, the retailer over there, and so on. So you need a smart travel assistant like Ghuri, just like Siri, for example, a travel assistant who can give you real-time advice, connect with the businesses, and give you a package which will optimize this process. So this is how our Android app currently looks like. It has been published in the App Store and getting a very good traction. And as you can see that there are several tools. You can actually tap on a tour, and you can actually book a tour, communicate with the tour operator, and can pay through the app. This is how our website looks like currently. This is the home page, which is http://ghuri.online. And this is our partner dashboard. So through this dashboard, the travel businesses can actually upload their inventory, whether it be hotel, tour operator, or travel agencies, and so on, and can upload their content and inventory to our system. The travel industry in Bangladesh is growing. In 2016, the GDP rose 7% from the previous year. Every year, there is a large number of people who are making foreign trips, as well as a large number of NRBs making inbound trips. The inbound tourist expenditure in 2014 was 10.2 billion BDT, and it's projected to rise to 18.2 billion BDT in 2024. And so, Ghuri therefore becomes an attractive proposition and an attractive destination for these people to plan, compare, and book their trip. So how are we different? Through our large inventory of travel deals and price points, customers can actually search according to their budget, and we actually provide a full 360-degree solution, starting from your visa processing till the hotel accommodation booking and till the local attraction booking as well. Through our mobile app, customers can upload important documents like their passport and visa page, which are all very important for the travel agencies to complete their booking. For the businesses, the travel agencies, we provide a simple dashboard to upload their content and price points, and also once they upload it, they can actually communicate with the customer. Once the customer finishes his booking, his information becomes available to the businesses to communicate. And also they got to see the analytics, the travelers get to see the analytics out there, so they can actually see the analytics, how they are doing in the business with compared to other travel agencies, and whether they have to compare further, whether they have to work on their content and pricing. So as a travel agency, so basically what Guri becomes a lead generation agency and a communication service for the travel agencies. As a travel marketplace, it's very important for us to have the proper partnerships. We have currently around 35 travel agencies who have given us their verbal commitment, and they are uploading their content as well as ticket prices to our system on regular intervals. We also have 63 packages, 33 of which are international and 30 of them are domestic in our platform. So the traction, just this month alone, November 1st week, we actually had our website revamped, and we get 30,000 visitors up to that point. Within the last 30 days, we have sold over 6 lakh BDT worth of travel inventories. Our Facebook subscribers count currently stands at 25,000 plus, and we have 1,000 plus email subscribers. Within the last week, we have generated 100 plus leads for local and foreign tour packages as well as air tickets. We are quickly gaining a reputation, and we are constantly on the hunt for having good packages for local and foreign tours, which in turn makes our platform more attractive for the travelers. So this is our revenue projection, what it looks like for the next 12 months. We are expecting an investment after the end of M2, the second month, and with the if we get the desired investment, our sales and marketing expenditure will rise. And after M4, we are expecting to get our web app version 2.0 released, which will increase our partner signups and increase our B2B features, and our revenue will increase from that point onwards. We will be reaching break-even point from M2 just 2 months from this point onwards. So how are we supposed, why are we capable of doing well in this industry? I have been in the UK, and we have access to travel sites like Expedia. However, back in Bangladesh, these things are different. There are lots of manual processes involved, and the customer journey is not yet. We are taking these manual processes and making them automated one step at a time. We are, our expertise in semantic and artificial intelligence, actually we have several papers published within our team on the semantic web. I have been a research fellow at the University of Southampton for several years. So the expertise in semantic and artificial intelligence we can bring into our travel marketplace, which will significantly increase the attractiveness of our platform and increase the visitors basically. We also have significant experience in app development. One of our apps has got like 1.5 million downloads in the App Store. So we basically know how to make an application popular. We have travel domain expertise as well. 3 of the guys in there, for example, in total combination, they have 15 years worth of travel industry, travel agency experience, and they know exactly what the day-to-day traveler face in Bangladesh for booking their travel. So we have been successful in closing the sales. Within the last month, we have closed 20 sales and quickly gaining a reputation. However, the plans that we are undertaking, we are short of funds. For a high-end business like us, an office space is very important because of the customer image, the cash collection, the customer impression, and so on. We all know how expensive it is to have an expensive office and to have an office with good furniture and settings in an area like Gulshan or Morani. However, to have a good customer image projected, we absolutely need it. We also need a professional graphic designer, and we are actually expanding our development team with several experienced devs. For a travel application, it's very important to have good and innovative marketing, and the marketing channels are also important. We are not just doing social media marketing, we are also considering the physical media marketing, such as top local newspaper like Purkomalo, as well as popular newspapers to the NRBs abroad. Because for inbound tourism, it's very important to reach the NRBs, which are coming, for example, every year with a large number of NRBs. In short, we are expanding. We expect $100,000 for 20 20% equity, which will give us a runway of around 12 months. We expect investors who are passionate about travel to help us in this regard. We are very good in technology and in automating the part. However, we need strategic investments for Guri to come into true reality, this true capability. I have just come from UK. Just a few months back, I was working in UK. I left that and came back to Bangladesh to pursue this startup dream. Bangladesh has been a constant upward economic growth for the last few years, and it's my firm belief that within the next 3 to 5 years, there will be several startups who will burst into the global scene. Guri has been a vision for me. It encompasses a vision for me. As an individual, throughout my life, I have pursued very steep targets, very difficult targets, and have come out successful against all the odds. For example, I can just give an example. On the 25th anniversary of Bangladesh independence, I bicycled for 18 hours non-stop. So just like that, I mean, it's a steep target, startup is a steep target, and we understand that. And so therefore, we actually expect your collaboration, Grameenphone's collaboration. Hopefully we will get the expected investment, and we can make Guri a true reality. We can take the travel system of Bangladesh to truly 2.0 and set an example to the world. And we sought your collaboration in this regard. Thank you very much.